What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Crypto here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at Solana. So you can see Solana is doing so well in the sense that, it's still maintaining that uptrend. So, yep, it's been, maintaining this uptrend, even though we had a little bit of correction yesterday. So, this is definitely very good for us to take note of right here. So looking at Solana from the daily time frame right here, you could see Solana is still holding on strong, so which is very, very good. We are still respecting this trend line right here, which is very good. You could see we've retested this trend line here again, and with the look of things right here, we are most likely going to be rallying towards the $8 range, so or level. So this is very, very good. You could see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now it's either we make a higher high right here, and by making a higher high right here at above $88 all the way into $90 plus, we definitely need to break out of this resistance, find support around here before rallying much higher. So yep, I think this is definitely what we should be expecting all the way into wherever Solana goes, because our next major resistance after we break $8 is most likely going to be $104. And without even wasting much of your time, you could see right here that the geopolitical news right now is definitely something to be worried about. Though I was kind of opened a long position on Solana yesterday, but I exited that position. I exited the position, which I kind of shouldn't, but I had to do what needed to be done. So I think it was probably how many percent trade I made. I made up to probably just 1 point something percent. Yep. So yep, this is currently where we currently are right now. So the worst case scenario right now is whereby the geopolitical is definitely not looking good, and as you can see right now, the USDT dominance, which is definitely a leading indicator or a signal to determine where the money is going, where the fiats are going, if the fiat is going into risk on assets or not. So you can see right here that we are still having a lower low kind of movement right here, which is good. And I've been saying this for a very long time that this is definitely what we should be expecting from the USDT dominance. So with the look of things, the USDT dominance is giving us every hope possible that the market is most likely going to be heading towards the downside, which is definitely something good for you to take note of. And you could see the price of crude oil is still very much stable, but I still do believe that we could still head much lower. But that doesn't mean that, okay, the war will be over. I don't see the war even coming to an end anytime soon this year, because these are two opposite people with different goals. So the look of things right here, crude oil is still in a very massive downtrend. Even the S&P 500 still trading within the range of new all-time high of 7,185, and currently it's at 7,155. So it's only a matter of time before we keep on making higher highs or new all-time highs. And with the look of things right here, the moment the S&P 500 capitulates or drops really low, the risk on asset are most likely going to crash harder than the S&P 500. So whatever you are doing, whatever position you are in on any of this crypto, make sure that you are placing your stop loss at a break-even level. So yep, that's just basically all I can say. And looking at Solana right now, we could see clearly right here that Solana is also doing very, very well. All we need to see Solana do is keep on making higher highs rather than breaking below this trend line, because this trend line is definitely what I can say is holding us at the moment. Because the moment we break below this trend line right here, things are most likely going to look ugly, and the situation will also look uglier. So yep, thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button, and share this video with your friends. Guys, have a wonderful day. Peace out.